The part of you that feels insecure in the presence of a portrayed example of what beauty or success could look like online just wants to be heard and accepted by you. So listen to yourself, right? Maybe this part of you that's upset is saying things like, well, I'm never gonna look like that, or I'm never gonna have that, and so no one's ever gonna think I'm pretty or successful, and that totally sucks. But remember that a picture of a person in a magazine or on Instagram is just a picture of a person in a magazine or on Instagram, real or fake. It's only when you choose to see that picture and then believe a thought that says, I'm never gonna be good enough, I'm never gonna have that you then create a problem for yourself inside, right? So if you find yourself in the presence of these situations, getting bothered and not really knowing what to do about it, pause and ask yourself these questions. 1, in what situations am I most often finding myself getting bothered or triggered? And 2, when I'm in these situations, how can I bring more compassion to myself?